Hi guys, now we are coming to the end of the demos, right? Where we have to now host the chatbot that we have created, right? Before moving on, these contents are free for you, but your subscription does help the creator. So do subscribe. Only 89%, sorry, only 11% are subscribed who are watching this video. 89% are not subscribed. If you see the out of the 5,000 views, only 5,000 views and 44,000 are not subscribed, right? Even in the hours, the calculation goes the same. Anyway, so that's we have done. So what we will do now is we have this page, right? Localhost, all this plain. Now it should have the page which is similar to the website, right? This is just again for the demo. Uh, so what I will do is I have this code over here, download website, right? So over here, what we will do is just give the site name. So this is the site name, right? I will control C and paste it over here, right? And then what I will do is just go and run this one, right? So what it will do, it will generate me a web page, right? So this is a web page it has generated. So let me name it like demo.html, something like that. And I will copy and paste it over here. Okay. And now what I will do is go and modify my load HTML that I have and make it demo, and this will point to demo. Okay. So that is done. Let me stop my server and start it. And now when we go over here and go, it should load that Indigo page in locally. Okay, so it does a good job and we get the whole page now, if you see. And this is, I think, more than sufficient for the demo, since now you can click over here and there. What? They have a chatbot? Oh, I didn't saw that. Okay. So we have to remove this ask Doti, right, from the demo page, because that's where we will put our demo over there. So let me open and edit ask. Ask is not there. So if I do F12 and oh crap, and do selection over here. So it's not downloaded the images. So it's downloading from there. So that's why it's a little bit slow. And somehow my net is also slow because I'm uploading the previous video which I've done. Okay, so here it is. Ask.t. Right, so it is with the hmm, with this plugin ID. So we will remove this ID. It's not there. Okay, so it might be loading from the network like that we typically have from all the chatbot like Google and Microsoft and Amazon. Like they provide the JavaScript and that comes. So let's see which one is coming in the end where we see the our chatbot first. Mm, 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 mm. But it's actually poor development from them. So now it came ask somewhere over here. Is this? No, this is coming a lot. Get production access, which can be YouTube, YouTube. over here. Oh, my dear friend, yellow.ai, yellow messenger is being used over here. I'm amazed that they are allowing local host. They should not. But anyway, what we will do is we will search for this yellow in the site. Okay, so here is their tag. Just remove this JavaScript. I think that will do for now. So let's refresh, and this bot should not be there anymore. If it is there, then we have to again search for. I can search again now. It's not there, so there should not be any more bot over here. Right. So now what we will do is just go to our page over here, views, and over here in the test one, and just copy our this script, right, to that demo HTML. So this is where they have. Just click save, and it's still coming. Yellow. So it's still coming over there. So it must be some other thing. Let me find quickly. Okay, sorry guys, that was the issue from or mistake from my side because I accidentally delete that script, yellow messenger script from other place, and means the file which was present over here, this one, rather than this one which gets load. Okay, so that was a human error that we all know. So this is now Indigo website having our chatbot. Okay, again this code which I have through which I have downloaded this download website is again present in the GitHub, which is given in my description link. Okay, so we can see that same bot is coming over here, which we have developed so far over the week. And let's go by one of this information. If API is up and running, then we will get. Otherwise, okay, it's working. So we got the details and we ended the chatbot. Okay. So now what we will do is we will upload this page into the S3 bucket, right? So from S3 also you can publish, right? So S3 have facility to make a object public, okay? But if you don't want to do that, there is another way. So demo site, something like that. We will give the region, choose the bucket, no, ACLD, so yep, yep. Okay, so block all public access, right? So now if I give the public access, it will be accessible from the public, right? And they can use the token and all this thing, then they can access it. But we will not do that for now. So what I am going to show is once I click the create bucket, demo must not contain capital. Okay, and what is that? Uh, read the manual. Read the manual demo site. Let's give it put a whole name, right? Read the manual. Okay, so we have read the manual. What I will do is I will click upload over here and click add files, and let me make sure that we copy from here and click demo and upload. Now this URL, so once it is uploaded, right, and it is been uploaded, now what we can do is we can access this one through public, right? So if I go over here, and I think there is a permissions, If I click over here, it will directly open directly through that whole security line. There's that we have to give this URL permission. So what I will give is this one permission into our GitHub. If I right now access, it will be denied, right? Because it does not have the permission. So to give the permission, what we have to do is go over here, dashboard, and customize chat widget. Now let's make it a little bit prettier. I don't want this all background color. Okay, let's make it FF. Oh, one F was localizer. I don't want this background color. Okay, white and gray looks nice for me. And name is RIU and RIU, and icon will be, let's make it similar to what we have. What color we have? Green is okay, right? Yeah, let it be green. Let it be green and enable contact flow, message receive. What just happened? Why it's not allowing me? Oh, okay, zero. What is the color of black? Black RBG 000000000. Okay, now over here we have to give the permission, add permission for this. Okay, so once I click over here, now if I refresh that URL, where is that my URL? I think yeah, this one, and just refresh and accept cookies, and now it should appear. Now this is again a temporary URL, right? What we need is a permanent URL. For that, what we will use is something called CloudFront. Okay, so we will add CloudFront also, so that this URL is public and can be accessible anytime, right? So we will create a CloudFront distribution, right? And we will load our S3 HTTP. Wait, what happened? Origin bucket must allow public access. Okay. Mm, I forgot what we used to do. Let's do by public right now. Bucket must allow public access. Okay. So if we do that, caching optimize. Okay, let's do the caching also. All this, and create distribution. Do not create distribution. Now it should give me a URL which is like this, and I will do over here slash demo.html. No, my this one was, I think, capital D or small d, small d. And let's see if it opens that one. No, why not? Because we have not made it public. But It's still deploying over here. Let's wait for it. So anyway, once it is deployed, right, what you will get is this is the URL that you will be accessing, right? And after that, you have to give that file name demo.html. And once you do that, again go back to your this chat widget and give the URL, and you can access it. Yeah, this is how I usually host. And again, if you have the production one, if your own website, just copy this one and paste it over there and just give the link over here. Thank you. Have a nice day.